Well, sometimes you cook and miracles can happen. The other day it was snowing outside, I mean really snowing, and I couldn't go to the store and I wanted to make a soup, but I didn't know what I had. So I did what my mom used to do. I just went to the fridge and found what I could in there. I found some Italian sausage, and I found some chicken breast, I had some onions, found some noodles in the pantry, and I thought, I'm just gonna put all this together and see what happens here. I gotta tell you guys, this was a miracle. One of the most delicious soups I've ever made. I call it a Bubba Miracle Soup. Sweet sausage, chicken breast, noodles, a little better than bullion in there, a little chicken bouillon, water, pepper. There it is. I mean, it's just great. So what I did was I chopped up the onions, chopped up the chicken breast, and then put the sausage in. Added some water, some chicken bouillon, some better than bouillon, white pepper, put it together, brought it to a boil, and it just absolutely turned out delicious. I'm gonna say this may be the best soup I've ever made. Folks, I promise you, you try this and you're not gonna be disappointed. And oh, by the way, holidays are coming up here. And of course, everybody thinks about holiday dinners, Thanksgiving, Christmas, but I've got an idea too. What about all the people hanging around your house wanting something to eat? What could be better than a big old pot of soup? Want a little snack? Go in and get some of this. Perfect for the holidays. Try that out. You'll be a big hit. Okay, now let's get our heat on here. Nice medium flame. And add some olive oil in here. And maybe a little bit of butter. We're going to now get this up to a nice little heat here. Let's get everything moved over. Let's get our onions in. Start sauteing these things. And now, little sausage pieces. Italian sweet sausage, not regular sausage. Italian sweet sausage is what I found in the fridge. Remember, this was kind of an inspired soup. Just put it together with what I had. Get all that stirred in good. Chop it up a little. And now, the chicken breast, the 2 chicken chopped up breasts. Now as you can see, when the chicken starts getting white, that means it's starting to get cooked. And we're going to cook it more when we get our soup boiling together and things. So, let's start with some chicken stock here. Just, I don't know, put it in, get a nice fluid. We're going to put more in later. About a teaspoon of salt and some white pepper to taste. There's a little palm full there. Now, 2 or 3 cups of water in this. Okay, now the reason we're doing that is we're going to add the noodles directly to this, and we want those noodles to get soaked up good. To really bring that flavor up to a peak, about a spoonful of better than bouillon chicken stuff. This stuff is really good, and it'll just bring a tremendous flavor to this. Now I got a nice package here of fettuccine dried noodles. So let's put about a half a pack of these in. And get those stirred in really good. And maybe we need to add a little bit more water here. Just be sure those noodles are really covered. Now see how this is coming together here? And this stuff is done now when the noodles are done. So let's have a noodle test. when they're nice and that texture that you like, and different people like them different ways. Some people like them really soft, other medium. I'm kind of a medium soft guy with my noodles. So let's see what we got going here. You can see how this is boiling really good now. And we're gonna let this reduce down a little bit to get a little bit thicker. You could put some cornstarch in if you wanted to. I don't think that's necessary. So now let's get a bowl of this made up. And I like to serve soup in big bowls like this because I think it just thins it out a little bit more, get a little broth on there. And there you have it. Bubba's Winter Day Soup. I don't know any other way to describe this. It's absolutely perfect. So, let's give it a taste test. Right, that's good. I mean, that is really good. You're gonna love this soup, I promise. One of the best soups I've ever made, the accidental Bubba soup. Well, like I always say, clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. And yeah, this is pretty much a happy kitchen. Adios and yum yum. Bon appetit, partner.